Got me a little tarp down, keep the mud off me a little bit. Got the drive shaft out of the way. And got to take the drive shaft out of the way and slide it back. So I got to get up in there to the starter. But yeah, there's no zip ties or nothing. The customer was mentioning about zip ties. I don't see any zip ties going on up in there. So yeah. Diagnosis: failed starter. Going to remove and replace this thing. And I got the starter put back up in there, and I got the date on it. That thing only come with a 1-year warranty. I got the economic one. But yeah. I don't know why they design stuff like that. That's just a cluster, how they got those wires ran over them when you can't get to the nut, to the big red wire, because it's on the inside of it. I don't know, whenever I grow up, I should be an engineer, man. It's crazy how they design stuff. Make it right in the way. Make it tough on you. Like it's darn drive shaft. Ain't no sense in that. How they done that, I don't know. There ain't no way to get into it from up there along the side either. Like everything's just blocked off.